Hello, fellow transcriptionists. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can set up a macro in Word to help with a problem that seems to be fairly unique to this industry, as it seems that there's a lot on the different transcription forums and different places where people are trying to solve this issue, and there doesn't seem to be much information anywhere or clear directions. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been able to do. And the issue that I'm talking about is that so many of us seem to have a hard time because we've gotten so used to letting Word correct our capitalization on its own at the beginning of a sentence. We often miss that capital right after what many of us use here, speaker tokens. Now here I have just a sample transcript that is completely made up. This is not from a real transcript, but it'll give you an idea of what you can do. So I say I have the interviewer token here with the colon, and for whatever reason Word does not automatically capitalize if you miss that shift key there when you're typing the beginning of your sentence. So what you want to do to start off with, and I'll have something that you can copy and paste there down in the description with the body of the macro. But what you're going to do first is you'll go here to the View tab, and then all the way over to the right you're going to go here to macros. Now some of you may be familiar with macros and you may just want to click on record macro, but since we're going to copy and paste this macro rather than record it, you'll just want to click on View Macros, and then you'll go ahead and give it a name. Now we don't have to click create or anything. I think this is where some people get hung up. You're just going to go ahead and give it a name. There cannot be any spaces in this name. It just needs to be all one name, but you can differentiate with capitalization as I've done here. Now since I've already got it created, I've named it caps after colon. You can name anything you want, but this will be capitalizing the first letter after a colon. I'm going to go ahead and name this one 2, caps after colon 2, since I have that already in my system here. And then you're just going to click create. Now this is going to pop up an area for you to enter new macros. You can see here my cursor is already in the field here for caps after colon. Now I already have this set up in my copy and paste. I already have it in my clipboard, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the body of that macro, which I have found to work, and that's all I have to do. I do not need to do anything else. It already has all of the code set up, so all I'm going to do at this point is just click the save button and then exit out of this macro screen, and then there we have it. Now you may wonder, okay, how am I going to initiate this macro? What I like to do is have a button here at the top on the quick ribbon or the quick task ribbon or whatever this is called here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my file tab and go to options, and then we're going to go to quick access toolbar. There we go, that's what it's called, quick access toolbar. And then here in this drop down menu I'm going to choose macros, and it's going to give me a list of all my macros. You can see all of these creative names for macros I have here, macro 1, macro 2, but we're going to take our caps after colon. We're just going to click the add button, and then you can move it up and down this list wherever you want. I'm just going to keep it here on the end because I'll be deleting that later. You'll click OK, and then I'll just show you here how this works. I don't have to select any text or anything. It's just going to do it throughout my document. So whenever I am finished with my document and ready to let this macro run, I'm simply going to click the macro button, and voila, there you have it. All of your capitalization errors have been fixed. Very simple. So I hope you guys found this useful, and if you have any other transcription related issues that you've had trouble finding a solution to, feel free to leave something there in the comments, and I'll see if it's something that I have a solution to, and if not, maybe I can even do a little bit of research and see if I can help you guys out. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.